Get that 50-pound bag you got there.
Where are we going, Garth?
51.2. We're gonna go caribou camp.
Taking the whole village with you.
Oh, me? Look at your bags. Man. Listen, I just got the essentials.
Hey Garth, we got enough stuff?
Maybe. Yeah. Maybe. We're trying. We gotta get all this stuff ready.
I want to take a whole tote. You think we can take a tote? This is going in the plane.
Okay, ask him.
Garth, you got all your stuff?
I think I got all my stuff in here except this. I don't know what this is.
All that's gonna fit in there. Right? Got stuff hanging off
Everywhere. Mad dash. Listen, when the pilot says you guys got to get it in the air, it's called shove and push packing. You just shove it, push it, and roll. That was a mad dash. That was crazy.
So, well, I guess we'll figure it out when we get there and do a yard sale on the Tundra. That's why he's so big. He pushes these planes to start them.
Pants don't even fit. See that? Thunder thighs. Jared over there.
Need your jacket on up here, huh?
Oh, no kidding. It was windy, Jason. How many caribou did you see?
We did see a little group.
Tiny group, yeah.
Yeah?
How about you guys?
Saw a couple.
Yeah.
You guys were giving me crap at the hotel for putting pizza in a Ziploc.
Not no more.
Not anymore.
How do you feel about that idea now?
He's our hero.
That's why I bring him for the brains.
He went from 0 to hero.
Throw me that rock right there. Tell you what, did it ever blow this hard when I was here last time?
I haven't been in wind like this since we got stuck in Larson Bay.
Huh? Hey, you tried to open it up with the lid on it, didn't you? That wasn't very smart. I'm telling you.
Can't assume these young guys.
As soon as you guys leave here, you are going to be smarter and wiser than when you showed up. This is the first day, and I'm already cranking out lessons like crazy.
Oh, I like them. God only takes sexy photos of me.
What?
He's single, ladies. If you want a piece of that, we can get you a number.
I tell you what, Garth, the camp film audio is just going to be a whole bunch of...
Every time.
He's always
I
got
just can't
something.
do anything right.
Always got something.
I don't know
smart
how
to
I'd
say.
survive without him. I woke up, I made coffee for the camp. I don't even drink coffee.
Now you
And it was good. And he complained the whole time.
No. I didn't complain the whole time.
Say draw, Brady. Hey, I'll flip it. I'll
say
even-
win.
He is
Say win. Win.
Boom, 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 boom.
Bear's dead. Bear's
I
dead.
don't know about that.
I'd be putting in some rolling situations too. I'd be rolling on the ground to move
my.
direction on him. Matrix.
You got what?
That was a bear on that ridge.
A lot of bears.
That's a big bear.
I'm convinced that it's just gonna get nice. The wind's gonna quit blowing, and the rest of the time it's gonna be working.
I'm convinced that. Whoa.
That's a long ways out.
Oh yeah. This right here, this is luxury. What do you got, Garth?
The end of that lake. Right there's a couple pretty good bulls right there in the front. There's one that has a good pop. They're just working their way over. That'd be a good one for those guys to go after.
Well, I'll go after him.
With what? You need those guys' gun. That's a decent dude. You got a good shovel, right?
Back or the front? Left or right? Those two. Oh yeah.
We got a big boo over here. And so we're gonna send, well, we're not sending anybody, but Bill and Carson are gonna go over there. You're gonna go with them in case one of them don't want to shoot him, and then Brady's gonna shoot him. The cameraman becomes a hunter.
There's a ways over there.
He is a ways over there.
Here we go.
Clear him, Brady.
Okay, Brady. Good luck, buddy.
Thanks.
We'll get him. Got it.
It's a good boo to me.
This looks like a great boo to me.
Yeah.
Let's go get him. No gold?
Walking through that marsh sucks.
So after all this, Bill, you're still gonna let him shoot?
Yeah. Laying down.
See how they're laying down.
Yeah.
One's laying this way.
They
one's
watch
laying
each
that
other.
way.
It's a trip. I mean, you have to go far right or far left. I don't know.
State record.
We think.
It might be world record.
I can go with that one. He's huge.
Alright, we gotta really go because they're walking away from us. shot, buddy. That's why you come to Alaska, buddy. Congratulations, man.
Well, just like that, eh?
Nice work, dude.
Bill, I'll take the left.
Awesome, buddy.
Thank you, Bill.
So great.
I never get to kill anything. This is great.
Yeah, it is. Lift that tank up. Oh, buddy. Oh, look at that. Congratulations, man.
Thank you, man.
Stud bull.
No, I don't even know. So pretty. Wow. What a cool animal.
Good job.
Well, figure it's time to get to work. How far are we? 3 miles, 4 miles from camp?
Let's get 3 miles.
3 miles through the tundra. Gotta eat up, right?
That's right, baby. Got a pack back.
Here goes the hard part. Got the exo pack all loaded up. Not much meat left on this feller. Still don't know why the heck Bill gave me the gun. We're over there?
Yeah, bro.
I thought we were right there.
No, dog.
I better check my GPS.
Hey! Look at what I did!
Hey guys, look at me.
Look at me! They don't even care.
No, that's a good bull. It just takes me a minute to get across the creek, then I'm just a hiking machine. You know, those little boozers. Yeah. Nice and warm, Brady.
Bill, I don't think you can fit in this.
Hey, Brady.
for very long.
Yeah.
Not smart.
Yeah, you know it's really great? Waders. A good day completed. Tomorrow, we're following Garth with the bow. Step it up a notch.